Joe the mathematician, and today we're going to go through the rule 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 millilitre. Now, we don't have a 1 centimetre cubed block because it's so tiny and we don't have one, but we do have a 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre cube. Now, we can prove that 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 mil with this 10 centimetre cube. Now we know that 10 centimetres times 10 centimetres times 10 centimetres equals 1,000 centimetres cubed. Now 1,000 centimetres cubed has to be equal to 1,000 millilitres. Now 1,000 millilitres boys and girls is 1 litre, and I have 1 litre of water in this container. Now if we were to take the lid off this and fill it up with water, there should be nothing spill over the top and no gaps. It should just fill it to the top, and that 10 centimetre cube equals 1 litre of water. But I can't take the lid off this cube. So there's another way of doing it, and it's called the displacement theory, and that's when we immerse it into some water and we measure the water that rises. And then we take it away from its original volume. Volume. Now that's a new word. Volume or capacity. So we're actually not finding out the weight of an object. We're finding out the space that's inside the object. That is volume and capacity. Now, it's really easy to work that out. 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. But if you had an oddly shaped object, such as this capsicum, how could you measure that? That'd be really hard. Or if you had, say, for instance, a banana, which would be really hard to measure, you would use this displacement method. Now, I have 1 litre, 1,000 millilitres of blue water. We're going to put the banana in the water and it's going to float. But what we want is the whole banana under the water. So we're going to use this pen just to push it down, not too far, because we don't really want the pen, we're not measuring the pen, we're just measuring the banana. So let's see how far the water rises. Now this is saying 1,250. So we started off with, what did we start with, boys and girls? We started with 1,000 millilitres, which we know is equal to 1 litre. Then we ended up, after we immersed the banana, we ended up with 1,250 millilitres. Now, we need to take what we originally had away from what we ended up with. Do you know the answer? I know you do. The answer is 250 mils. Now, if it was possible, we could fill that banana with 250 millilitres of water and it would fill the skin right with no gaps and nothing overflowing, 250 mils. So 250 mils is equal to how many centimetres cubed? Well, that's easy to work out. You guys are so smart. Can you guys see this? 250 millilitres is equal to 250 centimetres cubed. we're going to do today, you're going to find out whether it actually is true that this is 1 litre in volume and capacity. How are you going to do that if you can't fill it up?